Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a video to your Etsy listing step by step. First, go to Etsy.com and sign into your shop. Once logged in, click the Shop Manager icon in the upper right corner next to your profile picture. Next, go to the listing section in the left panel and click Add a Listing. Here you can create a new listing or edit an existing one. This is also where you can add your Etsy product video. Then, click Add a Video to upload your video. Keep in mind, you can only add one video per listing. After uploading, you can crop your video if needed. Click the Crop button, choose the ratio you want, and drag the frame to resize. Once satisfied, click Apply or Reset to revert changes. Finally, make sure your video follows Etsy's requirements before publishing. It should be under 100 megabytes, 1080px quality, and between 5 and 15 seconds long. Once everything looks good, publish the listing with your video. And that's it! Your Etsy listing now has a video to showcase your product. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.